Namaste, this is Santa Auntie. In this video, we are going to review 3 adjectives that you learned in class. We're going to practice good-looking, smart, and intelligent. Good-looking is smart, but it's smart with an Indian accent, so it's pronounced smart. Smart. So this is a compliment that's often used amongst Hindi speakers to compliment someone who's good looking or put together. For example, somebody might say, "वो बहुत smart है," or "वो बहुत smart लग रहा है." So it's a compliment that's used to mean good looking or put together. And it's important that you say it with Indian accent. Otherwise, it can come across as odd in terms of the context if you don't use it that way. So we say smart. Now the word smart, as you and I know it, is hushiyar. And there's a third word that means intelligent, and that's buddhiman. What's the difference between hushiyar and buddhiman? Well, hushiyar is an Urdu word, and it's used in everyday conversational Hindi. And buddhiman is a Hindi word. Now, buddhiman can also be used for smart, but they are slightly different, intelligence and smart, and I'm going to explain that to you next, what the difference is. But in everyday conversational Hindi, I hear the word hushiyar a lot more than I hear the word buddhiman, but you can honestly use them interchangeably. So what's the difference between being intelligent and smart? They're often used interchangeably, but they are slightly different. Smarts is when someone knows a lot. They're knowledgeable. They've taken the time to learn things. They have a sharp mind, and they've taken the time to improve their mind through learning. Being intelligent is a natural ability. It's when someone has a strong mind, a good memory, and logic skills. So they are very, very similar, but there is just a subtle difference. Someone can get smart through hard work. Intelligence is innate. Let's do some practice problems. He's good looking. Is he smart, hushiyar, or buddhiman? Smart. The Ullu is smart and learning a lot about the environment. Is he smart, hushiyar, or buddhiman? Hushiyar. The astronaut is very intelligent. Is he smart, hushiyar, or buddhiman? Buddhiman. Lomari is smart, and he's studied botany extensively. Is he smart, hushiyar, or buddhiman? Hushiyar. Chess is a game of intelligence. Is it smart, hushiyar, or buddhiman? Buddhiman. What good-looking couples these are. Are they smart, hushiyar, or buddhiman? Smart. The intelligent woman started a successful company. Is she smart, hushiyar, or buddhiman? Buddhiman. Giraffe is smart at arithmetic. Is he smart, hushiyar, or buddhiman? Hushiyar. What a good-looking family. Are they smart, hushiyar, or buddhiman? Smart. Kutta studies hard and is very smart. Is he smart, hushiyar, or buddhiman? Hushiyar. Lomri is smart at chemistry. What is he, smart, hushiyar, or buddhiman? Hushiyar. This brainiac is very intelligent. Is he smart, hushiyar, or buddhiman? Buddhiman. These kids are very put together for their pool day. Are they smart, hushiyar, or buddhiman? Smart. She is very intelligent. What is she, smart, hushiyar, or buddhiman? Buddhiman. What good-looking costumes! Are they smart, hushiyar, or buddhiman? Smart. All right, now let's test your memory. Let's take the words away and test your memory. He's good looking, so what is he? Smart. The Ulu is smart and learning a lot about the environment. Ulu is Hushyar. The astronaut is intelligent. What is he? Buddhiman. Lombardy is smart. What is he? Hushyar. Chess is a game of intelligence. Intelligence is Buddhiman. What good-looking couples. They are smart. And this intelligent woman started a successful company. She is Buddhiman. Giraffe is smart at arithmetic. Giraffe is Hushyar. What a good-looking family. They are smart. Kutta studies hard and is very smart. Kutta is Hushyar. And Lombardy is very smart at chemistry. Lombardy is Hushyar. This brainiac is very intelligent. He is Buddhiman. These kids are very put together for their pool day. They are smart. She's very intelligent. She is Buddhiman. And what good-looking costumes. Those are smart. And now you know 3 more adjectives in Hindi. Dhanyavad for joining me. I'll see you in class.